Something's going on up there. Whatever it is, it's not good, guys.
The National Weather Service in Aberdeen has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern McPherson County and north-central South Dakota until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Long Lake, or 23 miles east of Eureka, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source radar indicated impact. Expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near
Large rain map tornado, that's what they're talking about. It's been on the ground for well over 10 minutes.
An interior roof on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: McPherson, South Dakota.
Yeah, we will continue to move to the east. I just wanted